nunca he esquiado hasta ahora. Bueno, sí he hecho esquí de fondo, no he hecho esquí alpino, pero sí probaría la máquina.
Hi, my name is Grace. I think that this machine looks really cool. It looks a little bit scary, like if you fall, but it looks good for learning tricks if you want to learn how to do ski or snowboard tricks. So it seems like a cool machine.
Hi, my name is Lina. I'm from Holland. I've seen the video of the machine, and I think it's a really good option to practice your skiing skills. I don't know how real it is with the real skiing though, but I think it's a good starter to practice the skiing. So yeah, I think it's a good one.
Mi nombre es Chantal, he visto el simulador de esquí, he probado uno similar aquí en Madrid y mola bastante. La verdad es que yo sí cogería esas clases para aprender como a futuro.